Did you know your Galaxy S26 Ultra can actually charge other phones? It is a lifesaver when a friend is on 1%. Today, I will show you how to use wireless PowerShare on the Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra or standard S26 and S26 Plus. This allows you to turn your phone into a wireless charger for the other compatible devices. Let us jump right in. To begin, swipe down from the top of the screen to open your quick settings. If you don't see the wireless PowerShare icon, tap the pencil icon to customize your panel. Next, select Add a control. Scroll down to the System App section and locate Wireless PowerShare. Just touch and hold the button. Move it into your Quick Settings section and tap Done. Now, the icon will be right there whenever you open your Quick panel. Tap the Wireless PowerShare icon. A message will appear on your screen indicating it is ready to charge, along with some quick instructions. Make sure your S26 has enough battery to share. To charge a device, place your S26 Ultra face down and put the center of the other device back to back with it. You can see here with my iPhone, it starts charging wirelessly. Now, placing a Galaxy S25 on the back. It works perfectly. It is worth noting that the Galaxy Watch 7 is not compatible with this feature. So keep that in mind. That's it for this guide on using Galaxy S26 Ultra as a wireless charger. If you found this video informative, please hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching.